It's a pleasure to introduce Harshini Vinay, owner of Vatsika Silver Collections, representing the luxury silver and gold frames category in Vienna Diamond chapter. Vatsika Enterprises has been established in Bangalore for over 3 years and recently expanded to Hyderabad. With a family history of 20 years in jewelry manufacturing, Vatsika collaborates with architects, interior designers and home decor consultants to create exclusive puja rooms, god photos and mandaps in wood and silver. Her husband Vinay Annam is also a key supporter of Vatsika. Harshini enjoys traveling, dancing, drawing, meeting new people, chilling with friends and trying different cuisines. I got a call from her yesterday asking for a display table from a hospital. I asked what is the concern. She said she's down with viral fever and getting treated at hospital. When I asked her to get your date postponed, she said something like एक बार commit हो गए तो खुद की भी नहीं सुनती. Let's all give a good round of applause for Harshini.
Thank you everyone. Namaste, I'm Harshini, representing Vatsika Silver Collection. Today let me make you experience divinity through our silver idol photo frames. I'm Harshini, again representing Vatsika Silver Collection, a divine boutique. Every puja room is at every home, every puja room is very special, where you can worship your favorite god or goddesses, and also you can take blessings, and that is a very peaceful place at your home. So, and for that case, it can be a small puja room or a bigger puja room. Every puja room will also have silver articles such as diyas or plates or hulli, everything. So everything is made of silver, and because silver is considered as a auspicious and pure metal. So silver, it also so silver is the purest form. So and it is also said that silver is auspicious. So why not, when every articles which is made of pure silver, why not we can make silver idols for puja room? So then we thought, and this is a family business, where our father-in-law business, and then we thought, thinking of all that, why not we make these idols and these idols in puja room. So then we have my father-in-law started this business, over 25 years of experience, and we are into manufacturing of silver idol photo frames. So my vision is to have silver idol photo frames in every home. So, and taking that legacy, carrying it on, I wanted to do it in a modern way. So that is where Vatsika has been started. And we have 25 years of experience, and we also have a very good followers on Instagram, that is 21,000 followers who are supporting in this digitally. And also we have designed 320 plus puja rooms till now. In past 3 years, when Vatsika started, 3 years before as a brand, then we almost designed 320 plus puja rooms actually. So let me explain you the product in detail. I hope everyone could see my display table. If you cannot, please after the meeting just have a look at it once. This is my product, and let me tell you what this entire is made of. So this rosewood frame is this is a frame which is made of rosewood, and as you see these 4 corners, these are called inlay work, which is taken from the Mysore region. This is the art from the Mysore region, and the idol is made of pure 999 silver, and on that, if you can see, it's a 24 karat gold polish which we have done, and on that we have done the antique polish. So this is a complete detail about our frame, and everyone would have a question that silver will turn black over the period of time. So this is a mandatory question which has to be answered. So it is for this we have done the lacquer coating and also oxidized the silver so that it will not turn black easily. So maximum we have avoided it by doing a lacquer coating. And this is not only that, we also customize the photo frames. These are some of the sizes which is being given. This is the smallest. This is the starting smallest size, and then we are not stopping it till here. We customize it to any size. And these are some 3 sizes which I have shown. But then for that case, for a client, we have done 5 feet idol as well. So based on your puja room dimensions, we do customize. So when it comes to frame design, these are some of our exclusive frame design which we have done in our store recently. So this is something called Garuda frame. As you all know, Venkateshwara Swami, Garuda is a Vahana of Venkateshwara Swami. So taking that concept, we have done this entire frame in teak wood and with the Shanku Chakra and Rama as well. And coming to the next one, this is a temple frame inspired by Tirupati. And then we have done this, this is almost again a 5 feet rosewood frame with the Venkateshwara Swami which we have done. So to see these exclusive ones, please do visit our store. And this is our experience center. So we have a store in Jubilee Hills Road number 82. The store is not something like showroom, it's an experience center where you could visualize. We have done multiple themes of puja room where once a client enters, they can visualize exactly how their puja room has to look with our silver photo frames. Suppose client enters with a requirement, we do help them and figure out by placing all kinds of sizes and then helping out them so that they can also visualize how they can place the photos in their puja room. So this is something overall look of our store. This is one video which I would love to play. Okay, so this is the Garuda frame which I was talking about. So this is something, a reel which we had done. So let me share you all this on the group. So this is some of our clients' puja room which we have designed. According to their requirements, their sizes, we designed something like this. And these are again some of the puja rooms which we have done in US majorly. So whom to refer? This is the main thing. As BNI members, I would request you all to support me and help me and connect me to these people who are buying new home, who are entering into new home. Obviously, they would want their puja room to be designed with our photos. So please help me out with the new home buyers and apartment builders. I'm more specific about these apartment builders because we want to collaborate with the builders. Why? We want to collaborate with the builders because once every new apartment will have a model flat. So we want to showcase our silver photo in the model flat. So any walk-in who is entering into the model flat can see our photos and they can walk into my store. So that is the reason I want a major specific ask for apartment builders. And architects and interiors. Definitely after seeing all this, my major request is again for architect and interior designers. Please connect me and refer me, help me out. And my gifts, we have worked with many architects and interior designers in past 3 years. So I can help out with connecting with major interior designers and architects. So please get in touch with us. Visit my store to experience these kind of frames and with a different conceptualized based puja room design. So I'm inviting you all to please visit my store once, and then we can also do a lot of one-to-ones. As BNI people, do help me out, support me. Thank you so much.